Kuombeka gugakujirwo ruku gatigati ka Mount Kenya East na Mount Kenya West nyuma ya Rigathi Gachagua kweberwa jamunini rais na giti kiu kunenkerwa mutana wa Mount Kenya East na Professor Kithure Kindiki untubujukiritwe na maoni ngurani kumakiria karibantere gicio ijire kira kinene na ndenire ngwataniro ndene KIRIMAARA ikombeka kairi Morgan Mwiti arina tetoiji kire ripoti yetu ya mwanya ya Gichunki ya siasa utukubonarwa
siasa cha KWATHURANA Mount Kenya itambere ruaru atongeria bakuma gaitika Mount Kenya ibatwire gwitia kiama kiao na nkuruki guciathurana ba Mount Kenya West muno barurijo rwa Gikuyu. Mount Kenya East ni amwe na Meru barani kumathuchi mwankanto Nyeri arani kaunti cha Meru na Tharaka Nithi baubange ni Embu na Mbere. Kuma Kagita atongeria baba ario uria wari gavana wa Meru Kiraitu Murungi mwakene 2021 na ugite ati ruterero Mount Kenya West rutuire rutateretero Mount Kenya East na rubatumaira igitene ria kura indi kura ciaringwa kirima kia Mount Kenya gikaumira kairi.
Mount Kenya East would like to negotiate directly with potential presidential candidates. We don't have to negotiate through Mount Kenya West. I think that's the position we are taking. Those cannot be carried too far into the future, because I think the biggest challenge right now is that of distribution of resources between Mount Kenya West and Mount Kenya East. We feel we belong to the same house, but certain corners of the house have been treated better than the others. The most emotive issue has been those Mau Mau roads. See, Mau Mau roads are being done in Mount Kenya West and not in Mount Kenya East. And our people feel, since there are also Mau Maus in Mount Kenya East, and they also fought for independence, and in dying like the others, there should also be Mau Mau roads on Mount Kenya East.
Intatoirigwa timbaruni ya bunge mwanya ba Meru tawatigania East mporo wa Bori na wa Central Menti Kiremangoshine.
Sema ya kwamba tumekataa kuitwa Mount Kenya. Tunataka kuitwa Mount Kenya East. Embu, Tharaka Nithi na Meru ndio tuwe na bargaining power yetu. Na tukiongea ya kwamba spokesman wa community, spokesman wa Kikuyu yuko pale anaitwa Gachagua, spokesman wa Kalenjin yuko pale William Ruto, spokesman wa Mombasa yuko pale Kinanjo, spokesman wa Wakamba yuko pale anaitwa Kalonzo Musyoka, na spokesman wa Mount Kenya East anaitwa Kithure Kindiki.
Nandenda mumeru wengwa kuma na arua jukyo ntubu batu kandiere gutura twitara twi Mount Kenya ere kandiere itethera ere ni favor meru ere ni favor ria kitukulinga kura kenda tulingira antu babe tukasinsi babe katwendo wona bole akitubalingira kura. We should forget about it altogether. Otekendo yakeu ituite ngwecia tu ibalite ciao ara tukajana common policies tugetania ara guteo antu bete kibao bangi kibao.
Kuma Kagita kauna kinyambere atongeria kathumba ibatwira kwendekithwo batwika aria baruterero rwa Mount Kenya. Ngerekano ni Justin Muturi.
Amero baua muchiweka yeye utatia mwaturi wa mutwe. Thai. Ka kinya koi katore mutwe.
Sisi kwetu Mount Kenya ni kama msichana mrembo. Ati nini? Mrembo. Na urembo wake ni kula milioni 10. Tuko pamoja? Iko vijana wanammezea mate hiyo msichana. Wengine wanapitia kwa shamba ya mahindi, hivi wa mabebe.
Hapa kama wakazi wa Mlima Kenya hatuwezi kusema tunaweza kutafuta uhusiano wa Wakenya wengine. Kwa hivyo ni lazima tuanze hapa nyumbani, tuwe watu ambao tuna umoja.
Ambuge withire bwetu bwa Meru na bwa Iku na bwa Embu mukuru ari njana atega mwana orobwite kurungamira bangi tondu bu katukumu prepare kende thirware o antu aura turari na uru arungamirite mugongo ja Mount Kenya.
Bangi barabatora kwendekithwa ni amwe na Peter Munya, Kiraitu Murungi na Kithure Kindiki. Mbere Profesa Kithure Kindiki atuika munini wa rais, abunge ba Mount Kenya East bagwatanite na bangi bakaiba kuma Mount Kenya West ibagwatanire na kwendekithia kumutwikia MIARIO rutere ruru. Kithure Kindiki munene wa Mount Kenya:
Given the prevailing state of affairs and the urgency of the mission ahead, there is need to have a link that will create a nexus between us and the national executives on matters development. We, as elected leaders from this region and its diaspora, on our own behalf and that of our people, unanimously resolve that our link to the national government to be the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration, Professor Kithure Kindiki, whose responsibilities in the executive includes the coordination of national government functions across the country.
As the registrators from Mount Kenya East, and on behalf of our people, we have unanimously agreed that the link between us and the executive is Professor Kithure Kindiki. Mount Kenya East is on the rise. Mount Kenya East is on the rise. As a region, we have come of age and wish to henceforth converse development matters affecting our people as a distinct entity.
Na nandiki ureni atiri aturi ba Mount Kenya West bakawata Mount Kenya East mbaru kumera hau tonturikana Ameru batura gwiki agikuyu ngugi kwa miaka 35 kuma rais mututigi Emilio Mwai Kibaki agitwa gitikio rais mwakene jo 1992, 1997, 2002 na 2007 are Ameru barungi no mwanka mudia. Rais Uhuru Kenyatta agitwa gitikio rais 2013 na 2017 Ameru ibamugwete mbaru muno. Na 2022 rais William Ruto agochwa munini wawe kuma Mount Kenya West Ameru ibamugwatire mbaru. Na nandikira gieteri ikonethro Professor Kithure Kindiki akagwatwa mbaru ni aturi bakuma Mount Kenya West. Morgan Muti, Gichunki gya siasa, Weru TV.